Yeah. So stuff. I'm in the club with my crew, cause everywhere I go, I'm VIP. Everybody in the club better cup their clothes, cause I know that they're looking at me. Back that thing up, or should I push up on the temperature rising? Okay, let's go to the next level. Dance floor jam packed, hot as a tea kettle. I break it down for you now, baby, it's simple. If you be a nympho, I'm your nympho. In the hotel or in the back of the rental, on the beach or in the park, it's what